Hi, my name is Shells, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make coral reef out of spray foam. I have a lot of spray foam because I'm doing a lot of coral reefs in different sizes. I drew the design first on the table so I didn't have to keep redrawing the image. I put down some parchment paper and you can clearly see the lines underneath the parchment paper. I use parchment paper because when the project is completely dry, it's easier to pull off the back. So FYI, after a long day of making the coral wreath with the spray foam, it ruined my hands and I can't get it off. So be very careful and really use gloves because like my nails are like completely messed up and my hands are messed up and I honestly cannot get them off. So, yeah, I don't know how long it's going to take, but be very careful and please use gloves.